We're finally going to be bringing the trailer back home. It is quite a bit of a drive. Definitely not the best way to do this. Guys, I can't believe we did it. We got the trailer home. We've had our hiker trailer Extreme Off-Road Edition for 8-9 months now. We've taken it across the country twice, gone on camping adventures, and gone out to the desert to go dirt biking, but we've never actually brought it back to our house. In today's video, that's what we're planning on doing. We're finally going to be bringing the trailer back home for the very first time. It's never been to our house. We've had a couple reasons why we've never actually brought it here. It's been actually at a storage unit, like literally when we first picked it up across country and brought it back home. Here, we actually took it straight to a storage unit. One of the big things was because of space. We do have a couple cars and just moving things around, trying to make sure it will fit inside of our garage. And then also our garages or our driveway is very steep. So I knew we were gonna have some issues backing it up into the driveway and then getting it into the garage. But I think we have a perfect solution for it. So yeah, we're gonna be bringing the trailer home today. So give you guys kind of a view. This is the garage completely cleaned out for the most part. I had to move all this stuff over there. We have some more storage for all the tools and everything like that. And also some parts coming for the truck. Cannot wait to install that. But most of the stuff is moved over. I'm gonna show you guys how we plan on getting this in here because our driveway is really, really steep. I had to park the cars on the street. Just to give you guys a quick view, this is the driveway. We had to park the cars on the street over there. But yeah, with all that said and done, it's time to get on the road. So we have a little bit of a drive to get all the way out there. So one of the other reasons why I'm excited to get it home because it is a hassle to go and get the trailer where it's at. So finally we'll be able to have it home. We can do more modifications, do just a whole bunch more stuff to it once it's here. So let's get on the road. Let's get this trailer. Okay, we have to just gas up. It is quite a bit of a drive. Don't know if you guys can see, but you just see the mountains way over there. Okay, everything is the way we left it. So we gotta get everything out of here. My dirt bike, the rooftop tent. That's the first thing we gotta put inside the trunk. And then all the stuff in here. Another reason why we want to get our stuff out of here is last time we were here, there was a dead rat that came in and that's gross. So we have a lot of work to do to dig everything out of here because we have the awnings back there. The big rooftop tent is gonna have to go inside the back of the truck. My motorcycle is gonna have to go up here with the hitch and then all the other miscellaneous stuff. Let's see how long this is gonna take us. I'll give you guys an update once we get things kind of wrapped up here. Have to get this guy out, the rooftop tent. As you can tell, Getting everything out of here requires some muscle, I guess that was the only way to say it. Gotta use a little bit of some elbow grease, so. That part's done. Now, loading up the bike. Actually, let's first get the trailer attached to the vehicle. We'll load the bike up after we get the trailer situated to the truck. All of the stuff is inside the back of here. I did some ratchets just to keep everything down. I don't think it's gonna move, but just to make sure. Now for the fun part, getting this guy hooked up. Wonderful things about the hiker trailer, it's so light that I can move it around by myself pretty much just on this surface. This surface is not 100% flat at all, but using some wheel chocks, I can get it moving. So now that that's hitched up, we're gonna keep the jacks on as we get the bike on. So I've never done my dirt bike. I've done the much bigger and heavier street bike. When we took the cross-country road trip, that was the bike that we used. And we drove it across country. That bike was heavier, but it was shorter. This bike is taller. I mean, I think it should still be fine, but we'll see how it goes. There we go, you lean it. Okay, first time putting this up there. Wasn't easy. But you be out here doing some work. I love it. Like, I mean, like, I couldn't do that with many other people.
I'm strong.
Yeah, I told you you're strong. Other people will be like, nah, we're not gonna do it. We got that done. It took some time, but we got the trailer pretty much situated. I'm gonna show you guys this before we take off, but the bike is on. I wanted to make sure that this is fully on securely. This is the first time taking this bike on here, but this is gonna be the goal whenever we're gonna be going camping with the bikes. Safe to say, this ain't going nowhere. This whole frame is moving. You're just moving the truck, so I'm happy with that. Now we just have to make sure everything else is loaded up, and then we'll be getting out of here. Probably for the very last time. With the other motorcycle, we were so concerned with it hitting stuff that we took these jacks, we just put them inside the truck. But with this one, we could just throw it right on here. That's great. This bike is a lot lighter. It's just so tall. It's just cumbersome to like move it around. I want to make sure the lights and everything work. Doing a final check. Make sure these hazards come on. My tail lights on? Yeah, they are. Good. So yeah, I think we're ready to go. Time to get on the road. We have to drive through rush hour traffic, which I'm not happy about, but I'll update you when we get back to the house. So let's do that. this is not the proper way to do this, but we're doing it this way. Oh my goodness, we got it in here. This was not easy. Definitely not the best way to do this. I did wind up still having to attach the truck and like back it in to the driveway or into the garage, but it's in here for right now. I'm just gonna wheel chuck it. I'm clearing the squat rack, so that's good. It's up in the corner. It's definitely like sideways, but I think I'm gonna invest in a like one of those powered dollies. I think I probably could have just backed it up here. Might have been easier, I don't know, but it's in here for now. So step number one, that's complete. Now we have to put all the jacks down and everything. It's like wheel chucked, so I'm gonna do that. Put the jacks down. I think from this angle, I have enough room. I can get the motorcycle off, so that would be cool. And then, yeah, we'll go from there, but this was a lot to move around. So let's finish it. Guys, I can't believe we did it. We got the trailer home. This was not easy, but it'll get easier the more that we do it. It's in here sideways. My bike's in there. Crazy. The rooftop tent, I think I'm gonna try to sell it. The awning was off, so this is kind of the setup. Good news is a lot of this stuff is gonna be going inside of the trailer, like the grill, all this other stuff. So it'll be less confusing and less kind of crazy. Next time, I think maybe we will just try to back it in here, because I still had to wind up backing it up this little ledge, so it wasn't too bad. I can hear the dog's going crazy. All right, so now that we got that taken care of, I am going to get some food. But guys, if you haven't seen our massive road trip across the country with this hiker trailer carrying the motorcycle, check this video out right here, subscribe for more. We're gonna be doing a ton more stuff with this hiker trailer now that it's finally here. I can't wait to build out the interior, get everything set, and do more modifications. So I'm really excited for that. So with that being said, see you in the next one.